Hi, my name is Klaus. I'm your inspector today. Inspected the Audi S5 for you. Overall, obviously bodywork. It's a Cat S vehicle. He is unsuccessful repair. It's not being repaired properly. There's still structural damage present. I believe all the front was moved slightly by maybe a degree. Obviously, it would need to put on a rig and see if the front is straight, as there's certain bumpers and not lining up properly. If all the front has been resprayed, a load of filler used on a bonnet. All the alloys are curved and would need refurbing. Bodywork, the way it looks somehow the interior, I mean the luggage area, fair wear and tear. Somewhat okay from distance, you know. So obviously here already lacquer is peeling off. Visually you can see the doors being referred, especially the bottom sections. That's a new ring. Few mappings present in a filler. Again, a lot of fillers used on this vehicle. Interior, fair wear and tear. I believe there's 5 owners on it. It drives okay. Suspension is you would need attention replacing bushes. The radio doesn't work. This is not opening. There's few fault codes in. We'll go through them in the report itself separately. Same way around here. Same way around here. You've got obviously a lot of damage needs refurbishing. That's pretty much the vehicle. I don't recommend it because it's not being repaired to a good standard, and it's not worth the asking price of 17,000. We'll have a look at its average value. I would not pay for this vehicle more than 10-11,000. Thanks for using this.